everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Darcia. I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and motherhood videos, but I'm kind of lacking on the motherhood vibe. So if you do want to see motherhood videos, comment down below what you guys want to see. I'll try to make it for you guys. Anyways, we have a collective haul. Your girl has been shopping, but I've also been collaborating with Hudson Bay. Shout out to them. This is not an ad. I'm just saying that, like, on IG we work together, so I did get some nice stuff. So if you guys want to see all of the stuff that I unnecessarily picked up this fall 2022, just keep watching. My style has changed tremendously. I am doing a massive closet clear out. There's Halloween costumes. There's all kinds of stuff on my closet page. First item that I have are UGG boots. These were kindly gifted by the Bay. I've been wearing these so much. I've been craving to wear UGG boots so much. I've been wearing UGG boots since I had like fake ones when I was like in high school because I couldn't afford UGG boots. And obviously you're growing, like they won't fit you within like the end of the year. I wasn't working, you know, I started working when I was 18. So I got my first pair of UGG boots and then I've never looked back. You will not catch me getting fake UGG boots ever again. Not because there's something wrong with it, but because the quality is there. It's worth every penny. I keep them for years. The reason why I get new ones is mostly for style purposes. I have these now. I also have some pink ones, but these are from last year. These are in the color rose gray, so I will link them down below for you guys. They're quite dirty. They're gray. They're not even rose anymore. And I also have the chestnut in tall. The trend right now are the Tasman slippers to wear outside, which are sold out everywhere. I want them, but they're sold out. My size 8, everywhere sold out. And the ultra mini. I actually ordered the gray ultra mini. If I can insert a clip of them in this video, I will. But I did order them, so I should get them within the end of the week. But I got these from the Bay. Shout out to them. I got them in size 8. They are so comfy, so cute. They go with everything. I also have really skinny ankles, so I feel like this is a bit cuter on me than the ultra mini. The ultra mini is giving Bigfoot, but it's like cute. Next, I have slippers, UGG slippers. These are a new model. These are very in right now, like the crisscross slippers, open toe. My toes look crazy, so I am going to try these on with some socks. But yeah, Hudson Bay sent these for me, so I'll link them down below for you guys. I actually really love them. I got in a size 8. With UGGs, you can get away with like either a size down or a size up. It's insane because of like the shearling inside or the sheep, whatever this is made out of. I love UGG. Anything UGG is worth it. I actually ordered the Telfar UGG. That's a story for another time, so you guys will probably see that in a vlog. But yeah, I did pick up the Telfar UGG. Anyways, on to clothing. First item I have is this bodysuit by Dynamite. I actually picked it up in 3 colors. So I got the white, of course, and I got the black and the taupey beige brown color. I got these in an extra small because you want the girls to sit high and thrive, you know? I am wearing a push-up bra, so that's also a reason. But this bodysuit, guys, Dynamite is quickly becoming my favorite store. I have the app. I'm constantly shopping on their app. I love their stuff. Their stuff is not cheap. I would say their stuff is comparable to Zara prices, but I kind of like the quality a bit better. And they're a lot more accessible. It's a bit easier to get your stuff. You can like order and pick up the same day. They have like the Sezzle Afterpay type vibe. I love Dynamite. So I got these 3. I've had this one first and I'm like, no, I love this so much. Let me get the other one. So I got both of these for the fall. I love layering these. I love wearing these with like cardigans and like joggers. Very cute and very basic. So you can wear these throughout the summer and you can wear them obviously fall and winter. Last item that I have from Dynamite is this abstracty knit sweater. I got this in a size small. I actually had this in my cart for a while and I didn't check out because it's a bit pricey to me. It's because I rotate my closet so often that like sometimes spending a lot to me is like, I'm gonna get rid of this in like 10 days, so why, you know? So but I do want to invest in pieces that are like core pieces in my closet. So I got this, really like it. It's kind of like this wool blend type of wool imitation type of sweater. I love the abstract beige and black. It also comes in another color, but I don't really remember. But I really like this, guys, and I feel like it's worth the money. If you're into like knitwear, you want knitwear for work or something, but you want something fun without having like bright colors, I think this is the way to go. With a leather skirt and some tights. Combat boots, please. All right, speaking of combat boots, I styled these on my Instagram reels. These are from Wally World, Walmart, and these are from the brand Mex. I tried looking for the George brand everywhere, but they're sold out everywhere, so that speaks volumes to me for a product from Walmart. There's nothing wrong with Walmart. It's just when something is like nowhere to be found on Walmart, you know it's good. So the George combat boots are out of stock, especially size 7.5, 8. gone. So I found the Mex. Mex is a bit pricier, but it is obviously like it's a brand. If you're a millennial, you would remember that Mex was really big in Montreal. Like I would say like over 10 years ago. I remember my dad was like really into it, my mom too, but now they are online, or you can find like a section in Walmart. And I found these, even the black ones are so nice. They have the knee-high ones, very cute. So I picked these up. I love these. I got these in a size 8, and I can definitely like pair them with some chunky socks. I just think they're very cute, and for the price they're definitely worth it. They're chunky, they're not too chunky. I just love these. They're very nice. Speaking of boots, I got these from Asos. I do have a couple things from Asos. I picked these up because I really wanted the Ghani boots, but I will insert how much the Ghani boots cost down below. As someone that wears UGG boots most of the time, to me it makes only sense to spend a lot of money on sneakers, UGG boots, and things that I wear often. If I wear it a lot, I'm spending a lot of money on it. If I wear it not so much and I'm not sure, no. So when I typed Ghani dupes without, you know, going on DHgate, these popped up on Asos. Really nice. They were on sale for $100, and they have like the detail at the front just like the Ghani. I got these in a size 39 and they fit perfectly. Very chunky. Only thing is I have like, this is washing me out, I kind of have chicken legs in a sense. Like my ankles are so tiny, and my calves as well. The girls that are complaining about having big calves, y'all can wear these boots and look great, because it's like tight. It looks so good. Me, I look like I'm floating, so I have to wear like thick eye socks with this just for it to like can look a bit cuter. And I'm lazy. I'm not returning these. I love these. I love the quality. I love how they look. Like my little, after my thighs, my legs are a bit skinny, so I have to finesse to wear these, but I think they're very cute with a knit dress. Oh, actually I have been on the lookout for a knit dress, but I can't seem to find them anywhere. So yeah, anyways, these are very cute. If you're looking for like a designer, chunky, Prada-y looking type of boot, I will link a couple down below, but these are very nice and they look just like the Ghani ones. From Asos, I got 3 pairs of knit pants. I'm obsessed with knit pants. I think they're so cute with bodysuits, and I'm wearing one pair right now. I'm wearing the charcoal pair. You guys will see the full length of them, obviously in the try on portion. So very cute. I get most of my stuff in a size 2, but I also picked up these. These are a bit lighter because I also have another pair from Missguided that I got from the Bay. If you're looking for Missguided items, the Bay has Missguided. So I'll show you guys those after, but I got these because these are a bit lighter when it's not as cold, and I got these in a size 2. It's a beautiful pair of like rib knit pants, and the brand is, I think this is Asos design US2. So very nice. I love a straight wide leg, very cute, straightforward. I think this color would look really great with my gray Uggs that are coming. I would have gotten the black ones, but the all black Uggs just give off black Air Force energy. Anything for some, I don't know what it is. Like this being all black is not the same thing as all black Air Forces. You guys know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I also got these. These are more of like a legging type, high-waisted, in a size US2 as well. Very cute, just simple knit black pair of joggers. And yeah, these are all 3 joggers that I got from Asos. These are the ones I got from Missguided. These are very cute. Got them in a size 2. They are really big. Like these feel like a size 6. So if you want them really tight, you can get them for them to fit like a lot tighter. I do like the chunky knit. You feel really warm in this. This is the type of pair of pants that I would wear when I'm taking a walk, you know, the nice fall walk with your pumpkin spice latte and your UGG boots, where I would wear these, because in the house you're sweating like sweaty Betty. Okay, so I love them. They fit really well. They're just made big, so maybe size down if you want to really look like sexy. Right now on TikTok, the trend is Aritzia cargo fleece boyfriend something jogger. Okay, these joggers are like 90 bucks, and I bought them and they're like high waters on me, and the tall are too long for me, so I don't know what's going on. It's probably because I have a short torso and long legs, but I found some on Amazon. Obviously they're not the exact quality, but I found some on Amazon. So these are some wide leg. I have a lot of camel colored pants. These are from the Amazon Essentials brand. I got a size extra small. They're the cargo, the wide leg, and this has a Velcro. They look the same, they fit the same. They don't fit the same, they actually fit better on me, on my body, and I just wish they had the matching hoodie. Amazon, what are you waiting for? I need the matching hoodie. Very nice. I'm gonna order the other colors before you guys sell them out. They were pretty affordable, like $25 each. That's nothing compared to Aritzia. I know Garage has them too. I will link them as well. They are just out of stock. If they're back in stock, get them. I heard great things about them, but apparently they are out of stock as we speak. So I got the Amazon, very nice. Aritzia, I like you guys, but like I don't understand why they don't fit me. for $90. Why don't they fit me? Okay, on to, oh, I forgot something about Walmart. I spoke about this in a vlog a week or two ago. These are really in right now on like Lululemon or whatever. I have the black ones from Walmart. This brand is the George. I didn't know it was the George brand. Okay, George brand, $13. Yoga sweatpants, legging, wide leg type of. These sit so well on top of UGG boots or like Air Forces or like sneakers. They sit so well. I had the black ones last year and the charcoal were out of stock, and then by the time they were back in stock, it was summer. I didn't want them anymore. Now I got them. Size extra small. They fit so well. I put my mom on game. I put all of my friends on game. They love these. I love them, and they don't like get gross when you wash them. I actually follow George on Instagram, and I don't know, maybe it's a United States thing, but in Canada we don't talk bad about Walmart like that. Like, I don't know what it is, but here we love George. So George, you guys did that. $13, can't go wrong. If you're from Montreal, I don't know where else, but tu vis au Québec. Si tu vis au Québec, tu connais ce magasin-là, okay? HKR, this was like our Fashion Nova at the time and back then, and I found cute tops. I don't know, I think they're cute. I'm obsessed with this, right? I'm obsessed, right? I'm obsessed. $20, extra small. Look at the oatmeal. The quality is so nice, so cute. I love the sleeve. It's giving like loungewear. HKR, j'ai besoin du matching pantalon, matching pants, please, matching leggings. I don't care. The oatmeal color is so, it looks like Skims. I just can't believe it. And I also got this beautiful terracotta, size extra small again. Size extra small again. I love the bottom part, how it curves. This is gonna sit so well on top of leggings. So cute. Guys, comment down below your favorite leggings that aren't like sports leggings. I'm looking for something type naked wardrobe, like just plain black leggings but that aren't see-through, but that aren't like yoga leggings. Comment something down below. I only kept this out because it was like really cute on the rack. I got this like boucle chenille type of hoodie to layer. Very cute. I did order a sleeveless puffer jacket from Shein. I think it's coming in the video. That could look so cute. A brown one on top of this, some leggings and your UGG boots. Very cute. Got this in this extra small and it's like oversized. And then I placed an order online for my son, and of course I had to pick up stuff for myself. I got this set because the UK girlies, and by UK I mean literally like England, you can tell that they live in a country that's like is super gloomy because they know how to dress in the fall. Like this, my For You page and my Explore page is all girls from England or German girls. They can dress in the fall, okay? If you need fashion inspiration, them. And they're like fully dressed. Like they're not like wearing like crop, like no, like they're dressed. Anyways, one of them had this on, this set. Each piece is like $12 or $14 from H&M. That's so affordable. It's like this ribbed seamless legging, and it's like a true brown. Not a purple brown, not a red brown, not an orangey brown. Ça c'est brun. And I got this in an extra small, so it's like this pair of leggings. The crisscross at the front is going to give you a small waist. Very nice and flattering. And they also have either the matching tank top or the high neck tank top and the long sleeve. I got the long sleeve, of course. My Canadian self could not get the short sleeve. This was an exception because they're chef's kiss, but I did get the long sleeve, and I got them both in an extra small. Next, I picked up this really cute knit sweater. This is just things to wear like when we go out to eat with some jeans and my UGG boots. I'm annoying, but I have a uniform in the fall and winter, so I thought this was really cute when I want to be like a bit dressier, like not wear a hoodie with my leggings, you know. So this was only 15 bucks, so super cute. I got this in a size medium because I want it to be a bit more slouchy. It's cropped, of course, so I'll probably wear this with a jumpsuit, and I love the high neck, so when I am going to wear like one of my long coats, it's gonna look so like bougie and put together. I love this, and I love the color combination. This is very pretty, like Next, I got two berets, des berets. J'ai acheté deux berets. I bought two Anyways, I used to wear these a lot in high school, and I remember being made fun of, like, tu penses que t'es parisienne? No, I just had drip. So I right now have tape pins. I'm gonna take them out soon, but and they're like cable knit. Oh, guys, arrêtez là. Je suis cute là. Guys, come on. This is so cute. So I got the off-white and the black. I'm just missing like a brown or a gray, either or, not both. But yeah, these are really cute and they go with everything, and they were really like affordable, like $6.99 or something. Nice. I'm definitely getting this one dirty with my forehead makeup. This is getting dirty, but this is really nice. And they're one size fits all, if I remember correctly. This is like a Jacquemus type of top, but the color, this was only 15, I think. Recycled polyester. It's like this safari looking Jacquemus inspired like crop top. I'll insert the final portion. Very cute long sleeve to go out with some jeans. I think this is a great way of incorporating like a night out in the fall, all while staying in the fall vibes, like fall outfit. Such a vibe. Very cute. Size extra small. So I linked this down below. I think it was on sale actually, so I'll link it down below for you guys. Lastly, I picked up this set. I wanted the light beige, but it was out of stock. The top was out of stock, so got the gray. I got this lounge set. All of the European girls right now love this set. Got an extra small. Each piece was $35, which is a bit pricey, but it's kind of like a wool mixed with polyester, so very pretty and soft. I got this, and I also got the matching pants, so pretty self-explanatory. I like it. Very cute. I prefer the beige, but I like the gray. I'm gonna keep the bill. Maybe if I do find the beige, I'll exchange for the beige. But if you're more into like dark colors, or you work somewhere that's like you're allowed to be comfy, dark colors make it seem like you're dressed up. This set with like boots like this at work and your long coat, jewelry, no one's gonna know you're wearing loungewear. Yeah, son, no one. So got these in the extra small, and they're a bit baggy, so they're made oversized. I'm so happy that we're done because I can put all this stuff away. Like this rack has been full all week. Oh, my new bag. You guys have seen this on Instagram, but I got this. The Marc Jacobs tote bag. I do know that it's on sale on certain sites, so I got the size small. My laptop fits in this. I think it's a 13-inch MacBook Air, but Bay's MacBook Pro fits in this as well. Has the, yes, and there's so much space in here. I actually did an IG reel showing you guys what fits in this, so this just gives fall and winter and spring vibes. Summer, not so much. I'll probably get like the canvas material, the first ones that came out, and they also have the like a mesh one that's really nice for the summer. But for fall and winter, guys, this or the Sherpa one, oh, I love. So cute. Yeah, this is mostly my work bag. I either take this or my Neverfold when I have to edit at like Starbucks or something. So yeah, so that is it, you guys, for my fall 2022 pickups. These are all the things I picked up. I don't think I'm gonna be picking up more. If I do, highly doubt it. If I do, I'll put it in a vlog or something. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything will be linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Also, let me know things you've picked up for the fall, because we love a good suggestion on this channel. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that, you acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games.